When you click parse and review, it uses a small AI script to parse the 2 hours of laundry, the 3 hours of cleaning, and then it does its best to assume the project that you are working on. All right, friends, today I wanted to share with you a project I've been doing for a client. This particular client owns a family reunion rental center where they rent out an old school. And they have new requirements starting in January where they need to log and have a historical tracking of the hours that they work in their business for the health insurance that they get inside of the state they're working in. And they easily work the number of required hours, but need a way to log this. And she had initially thought about using ChatGPT and just having it prompt her every day, and she kept having issues with it. And so we were talking, and I said, I can throw this together real quick. So this is what I've built. It's a mobile focused app. She can install it on her phone and she can come in and log entries. Now you can do a voice log where it'll start recording, it'll listen to what you record, it'll transcribe it and create an entry. Or you can do a text entry where you type in the text, something like this, 2 hours of laundry, 3 hours of cleaning. And when you click parse and review, it uses a small AI script to parse the 2 hours of laundry, the 3 hours of cleaning, and then it does its best to assume the project that you are working on. And so then you can save this. So it's really quite simple for her now to go in and to do this. But what she really wanted initially was the ability to receive a notification. So when she installs this app to her phone, and it's just a web app, so it's nothing needing like Apple Store or anything like that. She can turn on a daily reminder at a particular time and then enable a device to make it work. Now, in this particular case, because I'm running this on my computer, it's not installed, and so it won't let me subscribe to this. But on my phone or her phone, you can subscribe to it and it'll send you these notifications. You then have the ability in the dashboard to be able to view the projects that were completed. And there's an ability to manage teams and roles so she can invite other people. So maybe it's a cleaning person can just go in and say, I cleaned for this long. And this can become the entry for managing her business. She can track the projects that she's got, particular activities. So if we come back to this homepage, and if she wanted to just log laundry, she can start and stop this and save it. Um, if uh, she wants to just create a manual log, she can select the type and where it was done and how many hours. And this allows her to quickly manage and set up her business in a way that allows for easy reporting at the end of the year or whenever they desire to have the reporting, which could be every 2 weeks or every month, to be able to generate these reports and share them out. So this is an example of what I'm calling a micro app that allows you to quickly and easily log or improve your business functionalities, right? So when you have something that you're wondering about, you can be like, oh, let me build this little app. It'll allow me to quickly do this right on my phone. You get the notification at the end of the day, you hit the plus, say your voice or type your message, and it just translates it. You check the notes and you click save, done, right? It's recorded. So if your business has a need for a micro app, something where you're like, I wish this was easier, whether that's interacting with a Google Sheet or a dashboard or a database or an ERP or you name it, let's have a conversation because AI has made building these tools so much easier. And there are costs associated with building these and maintaining them, right? But often the cost is the same or cheaper than if you were to go find a tool that someone's built and then you can't customize their tool, right? So this is the demo of this little micro app of a time logging system for a Airbnb VRBO rental, in this case for family reunions.